Looking to build your DIY king-size Murphy bed? You have finally found it. Easy DIY Murphy Bed is proud to introduce the new king-size DIY Murphy Bed hardware. Easy DIY Murphy Bed king-size hardware is the king-size version of our popular do-it-yourself Murphy Bed hardware. The same high-quality hardware and instructions are now available for the king-size, so you can build your own professional-grade king-size Murphy bed in as little as 3 days. Proudly made in North America and comes with a lifetime warranty. Our heavy-duty king-size Murphy bed hardware is designed to allow anyone with intermediate woodworking skills to build their own professional-quality king-size Murphy bed. 2 heavy-duty gas springs, 2 upper plates, 2 pivot plates featuring our unique Quick Connect locking pin, a pair of lower plates, which are quick and easy to set up and install. You also get a pair of premium square tube folding legs, which hide away when the bed is closed. A fully adjustable mattress strap, to hold your mattress in place when not using the bed. Plus all the screws and connectors required to build your king-size Murphy bed. Of course, you also get a set of 3 visually illustrated guides which everyone raves about. These guides cover the step-by-step construction and assembly of the Murphy bed. Online videos are also available 24/7 to guide you during the construction and assembly process. Easy DIY Murphy Bed is also proud to introduce the new Murphy bed lock mechanism, which is easy and quick to install. When you buy a king-size hardware, you will receive the wall bed locking system for free, which is designed to stop the cabinet from accidental opening, which is recommended for most wall beds. The finished Murphy bed cabinet stands 88 1/4 of an inch high, measures 82 1/4 of an inch wide, and is 16 inches deep, although the depth of the cabinet can be customized up to 24 inches deep. Any regular king-size mattress, measuring 76 by 80 inches, can be used if it weighs under 85 pounds. The mattress height should be below 12 inches or less. Please note that a king-size mattress is 16 inches wider than a queen-size mattress, so a king-size Murphy bed is a larger bed cabinet, taller and heavier than a queen-size wall bed, which requires more effort to open and close the bed. Therefore, we only recommend the king-size wall bed for taller, bigger people, and it would not be suitable for smaller people or elderly. Thank you for watching and choosing Easy DIY Murphy Bed.